Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to get the Enscape rendered images. To make the final render. Step 1. Click Visual Settings to set render size, file location, and file type. Step 2. Click Capture in your visual settings. Step 3. Select the resolution of the final rendering, typically Full HD for PowerPoint presentation, Ultra HD for print version presentation. If your render size is unique, please select Custom and set the pixel size. Step 4. Check Show Save Frame to see the preview on your real-time view. Step 5. Check Export Object ID, Material ID, and Depth Channel. Adjust the depth for the depth channel. Step 6. Set a render location to save your final render image file by clicking the folder. Step 7. Select a file format, typically JPG. Step 8. Select the view name that you want to generate a final render. Step 9. Click Render Image from Enscape tab, under Tools panel, to get the final render image outside of the file. You may click Render Image into the document to use the rendered image on your Revit document. This way, you can add your final render image to your sheet. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to get the Enscape rendered images. Thank you.